choking. You choking. Choking. Yo. You choking, B. You choking. This is how I do it. Watch. Black flag. Queen. Stand up. Check it. Off the top. Yeah. Yo, right about now, you don't know all the demons you provoking. All I see you on the microphone, you still choking. But my gun is smoking. You better man up till these guys start doing this shit and stand up. And what I hear is about guns and knives, but I do what I do up in the booth till your business just to stay alive. I'm a down rider, man, a soul provider, lyrical homicider. You better start hiding, duck for cover when I come through the damn building. Mr. 95, man, I'm on about the millions. The Fetties, the guap, whatever you wanna say. When I come through with this, man, you know the kids don't play. I do this all day, all night. I keep my mics real tight. Guarantee half of these guys don't want to fight. Alright? Yeah. Come on, man. Oh.